Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back after Eid in class 8 chemistry class. Today you are going to learn about basic definitions of chemistry. For that you have to open your books page number 6. Here you can see basic definition. As we already learned that chemistry is a branch of science in which we study structure, composition and properties of matter. Today we are going to divide matter into different components, different parts. It is also known as classification of matter. Now here matter, what was the basic definition of matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Mass, what is the definition of mass? Quantity of matter in an object is known as mass. Basically, matter is divided into two components, two classes. One is known as pure substances and second one is known as impure substances. Pure substances are those which have same properties as well as composition throughout the world. Impure substances are those in which properties and composition are not the same but variable. Whether the substances are pure or impure, basically they are made up of atoms. It means what is the building block of matter? Matter is made up of atoms. Here we have two different categories. One is known as pure, second is known as impure. Impure substances properties are same and impure substances in which properties are not same but they are variable. Now we are dividing pure substances into two categories. One is known as element, second is known as compound. What is the definition of element? Elements are pure substances which are formed by the combination of similar atoms. Similar atoms means same atoms, same in nature, composition as well as structure. It means a group of atoms having same properties is known as elements. Whereas compounds are formed by the combination of different atoms. जब एटम हमारे पास एक जैसे होंगे तो उनकी कॉम्बिनेशन से जो हमारे पास मॉलिक्यूल बनेंगे उन मॉलिक्यूल्स को हम कहते हैं एलिमेंट्स. कंपाउंड्स क्या हैं? कंपाउंड्स वो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं जिनके अंदर कॉम्बिनेशन एक जैसी नहीं होती बल्कि दे आर फॉर्म बाय द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट एटम. नाउ एग्जांपल ऑफ एलिमेंट, सपोज आई एम टेकिंग हियर C स्टैंड फॉर कार्बन, H hydrogen, O oxygen. These are examples of elements because they are made up of similar atoms, similar in size, shape and structure. Compounds, we are taking example of H2O. H2O means H stand for hydrogen, O means oxygen. It means different types of atoms are there. Therefore, it is an example of compound. Similarly, NaCl. NaCl means sodium chloride. It is made up of two different types of atom. Na sodium and Cl chloride. It means it is a combination of different atoms. Therefore, it becomes compound. It means elements and compound. We have to discuss three different categories. One is known as combination. When combination of atom is similar, then it is element. When combination is different atoms combined together, then we get compounds. Elements cannot be broken down into simpler substances or they cannot be simplified. They are known as elements, whereas compounds, they can be simplified by applying different chemical or other methods. Then elements are represented by symbols and compounds are represented by formula. It means pure substances we have how many categories? We have two categories. One is known as element, second is known as compound. What is element? Elements are made up of similar atoms. Compounds are made up of different atoms. Second, elements cannot be broken down into simpler because they are already simplest form. Second one, compounds, they can be broken down into simplest substances because they are formed by the chemical combination of different substances. Elements are represented by short forms, they are known as symbols, and compounds are represented by short forms which are known as formulae, which are made up of different types of symbols present in that specific compound. In elements, suppose I am taking here C means carbon, H means hydrogen, O O means oxygen. In compounds, I had taken the example H2O. What is H2O? H stands for hydrogen, O stands for oxygen. It is a formula of water. It means water is a compound because it is formed by the combination of different types of atom, that is hydrogen and oxygen, in the ratio 2:1. Similarly, when we are taking NaCl, what is NaCl? NaCl means sodium chloride. It is made up of two different types of atom, Na sodium and Cl chlorides. It means it is known as compound because here we get two different types of atoms, Na and Cl, in the ratio 1:1. Similarly, एलिमेंट्स को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हम जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूज करते हैं इसको हम सिंबल कहते हैं. इट मीन्स C इज द सिंबल फॉर कार्बन, H is the symbol for hydrogen, O is the symbol for oxygen, but in the case of compounds, they are represented by formulae. What is formula? Formula is the short form of compound, is known as formula. They are made up of symbols taken from the elements present in that compound. For example, the formula of water is H2O. It shows that hydrogen and oxygen are present in water in ratio 2:1. Similarly, NaCl. NaCl means sodium chloride. It is a formula of sodium chloride in which the ratio of sodium and chloride is 1:1. On the other hand, we have impure substances. We already defined impure substances are those substances in which properties and composition are changed or they are not the same. They are commonly known as mixtures. It means, what is the basic definition of mixtures? Mixtures are formed by the combination of two or more than two substances physically and not केमिकली. जब दो या दो से ज्यादा चीजें आपस में फिजिकली कंबाइन होते हैं तो उनको कहते हैं मिक्सचर. बट व्हेन दे कंबाइन केमिकली देन वी गेट कंपाउंड. केमिकली मींस दे लूज देयर ओरिजिनल प्रॉपर्टीज एंड अ न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म. बट इन द केस ऑफ मिक्सचर नो न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म. दे आर ओनली फिजिकली कंबाइंड. जस्ट लाइक here we are taking mixtures are divided into two categories. One is known as homogeneous and second is known as heterogeneous. What is the definition of homogeneous? Homogeneous, homo means same, genus means phase. When uniform composition is present, या two or more than two substances are combined in such a way that they are equally distributed from top to bottom, then we get homogeneous mixture. And here we have heterogeneous mixture when two or more than two substances are combined together, not equally but unequally. In that case we get heterogeneous mixture. Hetero means different, genus means phase. It means when two or more than two substances are physically combined in such a way that no boundary line is visible, then we get homogeneous mixture. It means solutions form homogeneous mixture. And on the other hand, two or more than two substances are combined in such a way that we can see a boundary line between them, then we get a heterogeneous mixture. It means insoluble substances or suspensions will form heterogeneous mixture. It is the basic definition of impure substances and pure substances. Now we will discuss element, compound and mixtures in detail. Page number 7. Here you can see elements. What is the definition of element in your book? An element is a pure substance which cannot be split up into either simpler substances by any ordinary physical or chemical process. For example, gold is an element and it can never be converted into any other simpler substance by ordinary physical or chemical reaction. The fundamental unit of an element is the atom. Scientists have discovered approximately 118 elements, out of which 92 are naturally occurring elements while the rest have been artificially prepared in laboratory. In this paragraph, you learn the basic definition of element. Okay, what is an element? An element is a pure substance which cannot be split up. Split up means broken down into other simpler substances by any ordinary physical or chemical method. Simpler substances, elements होते हैं जिनको आप मज़ीद सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते, ना फिजिकल मेथड से और ना ही केमिकल मेथड से. दे हैव टेकन द एग्जांपल ऑफ गोल्ड. सपोज वी आर टेकिंग गोल्ड, इट मीन्स गोल्ड इज अ प्योर सब्सटेंस. इट कैन नॉट बी ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. हियर वी गेट फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ एलिमेंट इज एटम. एटम क्या है? एटम जो है एलिमेंट का फंडामेंटल यूनिट है. Up to now we have 118 elements out of which 92 are naturally occurring. It means 118 में से 92 जो है naturally occurring elements हैं और rest में आते हैं हमारे पास approximately 26. They are artificially prepared in laboratory. Then we have second paragraph. Elements are made up of particles. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. It means simplest part of matter is element. Element is made up of atoms. An atom is the simplest unit of element which participate in any chemical reaction. Each element consists of only one kind of atom. It means when similar atoms combine together, then we get element. Atoms of a particular elements are same in each other but different from the atoms of any other element. It means atom of a specific element, they are similar in size, shape and structure but they will be different from the atoms of any other element. Suppose we are taking H. H means hydrogen atoms will be similar. On the other hand, we are taking O. O means atoms of oxygen, they will be same size, shape and structure but when we are H and O are held together tightly, then we get a new substance and it will not be element because it is formed by the combination of different element, that is H and O. In this case we get compound. It means whether we are taking pure or impure substances, fundamental unit of these substances is atom. Then we are taking here symbols of elements. Symbols means short forms. In 1814, a chemist named Berzelius suggested the system for representing element with symbols. सबसे पहले 1814 में chemist का नेम था Berzelius. इसने represent किया कि हम एलिमेंट्स को सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं और सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म को हम कहते हैं क्या? हम कहते हैं इसको सिंबल्स. व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सिंबल? The short name of an element is called symbol. Symbol क्या है? एलिमेंट को रिप्रेजेंट करने का जो शॉर्टेस्ट फॉर्म है इसको हम कहते हैं symbol. In most cases, the first letter of the name of element is taken in capital letter as a symbol. सबसे ज्यादा हम लोग लेते हैं इंग्लिश नेम का फर्स्ट लेटर एज अ सिंबल. In some cases where the first letter has already been used, then the initial letter is capital and together with a small any other letter from its name can be used. लेकिन अगर ऐसा है कि हम सपोज हम लोगों ने ऐसा लेटर यूज किया है जो ऑलरेडी डिस्कवर हो चुका था और उसके बाद उसी लेटर से स्टार्टेड दूसरा एलिमेंट डिस्कवर हुआ, तो सेकंड केस में फिर हम लोगों ने इसको सिंगल नहीं बल्कि डबल लेटर से रिप्रेजेंट किया. सपोज हाइड्रोजन के लिए हम H रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, लेकिन जब हीलियम डिस्कवर हुआ तो उसके लिए हमने H के साथ स्मॉल e डाल दिया. इट बिकम्स द सिंबल फॉर helium. In your books you are taking the table in which different symbols are given taken from their English name. One number is boron, symbol is B, carbon C, fluorine F, hydrogen H, oxygen O, nitrogen H, sulfur S. All these letters are single which are taken from their English name. But in the case of aluminium, serial number 8, aluminium, here we are using double letter A capital and L small. Calcium, C capital and A small. Magnesium, M capital and G small. And these letters are also taken from their English name. Some cases we are using Latin or Greek symbols. In your books you have the table. Antimony, its name is terbium, symbol is SB. Copper, cuprum, Cu. Gold, urum, Au. Iron, ferrum, Fe. Lead, plumbum, Pb. Mercury, hydrogyrum, Hg. Potassium, kalium, K. Silver, argentum, Ag. Sodium, natrium, Na. Tin, stannum, Sn. And tungsten, wolfram, symbol is W. These symbols are taken from their Greek or Latin names. It means Two different categories are available. One, symbols are taken from their English name, and second, either from this Greek or Latin name. Today is the end of this lecture. Inshallah, in next lecture we will discuss compound. Okay, Allah Hafiz, keep healthy and safe at home. Thank you.